Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome each and every one of you to this Hurato Gurato talk show. Yesterday, I spoke about a Nisi wisdom by my own dialect and by Hindi language as well. Today, I am speaking on that very Nisi wisdom by English language because there are a lot of people across the planet who don't understand Nisi dialect and who don't understand Hindi language too. Therefore, I am trying my best to share with you, ladies and gentlemen, by using English language. Accordingly, that very Nisi wisdom was something like that: Sele He Badar, Badar He Sele, Ngong He So, and Ngura He Langta. At the very outset, let me tell you Sele Badar. What is Sele Badar and Badar He Sele? It means a shallow water formed in the midst of river turns into a turbulent flowing of river in certain period. Similarly, this turbulent flowing of water also turns into a shallow water according to time and situation. The next sentence goes like this: Ngong He So, Ngura He Langta. That means, before that, let me tell you what is Ngong and Ngura. Ngong means a stream where school of fish come up in a particular season to lay egg is known as Ngong. When this school of fish do not come in that particular stream, then this stream will remain simply stream, not known as Ngong in my dialect. In the other hand, Ngura He Langta. What does it mean? Let me explain again. Ngura means in a particular cliff, or you can say rocky mountain, in that particular rocky mountain or cliff, when the bees make heaps in that particular cliff, then this cliff is known as Ngura in my dialect. When this bee left this cliff and chooses another cliff or another rocky mountain for making of their hives, then this cliff will remain as simply cliff, and that is known as Langta in my dialect. Here the speaker is saying that Ngong also changes into a So. That means the stream where the schools of fish come to lay eggs also changes, because that fish chooses another stream for laying egg. Such a changes happen continuously according to time and situation, though it may be the river, fish, stream, or cliff, or bee hives. Everything changes with due course of time. Accordingly, the speaker is philosophically trying to convince us, or you can say the speaker of this very wisdom is trying their best to compare with the character of the nature of river, the nature of fish, the nature of bee hives, the skills of bees with human behavior. Therefore, philosophically, the speaker of this very wisdom is directly or indirectly telling us that rich may become poor, poor may become rich, and king may become subject, and subject may become leader in a particular time with due course of time. And the richest man across the planet too can turn into a pauper. So this is what about this very wisdom is trying to convince us. That means everything happens with due course of time, everything changes with due course of time. In English you can summarize this like this: change is the law of nature. But these changes do not come by fortune. These changes come by our hard work. Here the speaker is also trying to emphasize you that everyone should do hard work with a certain discipline, just like that of the river, like that of fish, like that of bees. If we do like that, then we will certainly get success in life. This is what the speaker wanted to share with us. This is what the speaker wanted to convince us. So guys, I believe you like this video, and in next video I'm coming up with another new Nyishi wisdom to share with you, ladies and gentlemen. Till then, see you again. Bye bye.